Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by once again. So in today's video, I'm bringing you a very simple, easy to make meal for the whole family. In my bowl is some clean shredded beef and some prawns, to which I added my blended ginger and garlic mix, some seasoning and some salt. I'll mix all this together with my fingers and set aside to marinate. Then I move ahead to prep my vegetables. So with my vegetables, I'm using some scallions, I'm using some bell pepper and some carrots. I'll cut this into sizes of my choice and also set aside, and then move on to my pasta. In order to achieve a very firm but soft pasta, I'll be adding some oil, and to this I'm using sesame oil. You can use any oil of your choice or available to you. And I'll add some salt and allow this to boil. I'll go ahead and add my pasta or spaghetti to the boiling water and allow this to boil for some few minutes. But as time goes on, or once in a while, you have to mix it to check if it's okay. We'll do this just to avoid it or prevent it from becoming mushy, which is to become too soft and too saggy. When this is ready, you take it off fire and then strain it. Usually what I do to strain it is to use cold water and add some little oil to keep it fresh and keep it that fresh again. So I usually do this and then put it aside for it to cool down for some time. The next stage, or the main stage, is to prepare the meal now, and so to that we are going to start off by our meat. So we'll add some little oil to our hot saucepan. We'll go ahead and add the prawns and allow this to saute for some few minutes and take it off fire. My saucepan is like this because I just prepared my sauce. After the prawns are ready, we'll go ahead and add our beef to it and also saute it for some few minutes. But you can also decide to saute both the meats and the prawns together. I chose to do it separately because it's quite soft. And after doing this, I realized that my saucepan was quite burnt, so I have to change it. So I changed it and then added some little amount of oil and then had to continue the process again. So I'll allow this to brownish a little bit, and then I will add my vegetables to it. Fam, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, if you haven't liked any of my videos or even watched any of my videos, please do want to subscribe to my channel and go ahead to watch any of the videos. Kindly like at the end of the video, okay? It will go a long way to help me and I'll really appreciate it. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. So we'll allow the vegetables to saute for some few minutes, and then we'll go ahead and add our spaghetti. As you can see, it looks so nice. It's not saggy, it's not too soft, but trust me, it is very soft, but it doesn't look it as you see. Now we'll allow this to fry for some few minutes, and then we are going to add the magic. Yes, this sauce is a game changer, and I'm going to leave the description below, or I'm going to post the video on how to prepare this simple delicious sauce for your pasta. Trust me, you will love it. And just adding just a little scoop, which is just 2 scoops, and it was just enough for this particular dish. Guys, you need to try this sauce, and then you will come back and tell me. You'll come back and preach to me. Yes, so we'll give this a very good stir, and since we are getting to the end of this meal, we are going to be adding our scallions and add a little salt to it to taste, and then voila, our dish is ready. This pasta is ready, and you don't want to imagine the taste. This is so nice. The kids love it and everyone love it. So simple to prepare. Within 10 minutes you are done with this dish. That's if your sauce is ready. And like I said, you can prepare this sauce and leave it in the freezer and use it anytime you wish. As you can see, this is ready. Yes, so I'm going to be serving this right here, and enjoy. You better go and enjoy yours. Prepare yours and enjoy it because you will love it. I hope you love the recipe, and I hope you will try this. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Until we meet in the next video, have a great, wonderful week and enjoy your week as well. please don't forget to check the next video on how to prepare this simple sauce. Now bye.